Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download Bluestacks and what kind of software you can use. First of all, you need to know about Bluestacks Player is an emulator. You can test your developed Android software also. Some people use it for gaming purpose and some for social media app like WhatsApp. Follow these steps for installation process. Download Bluestacks from the official site bluestack.com. Download it. You will see 1 MB file is downloaded. Open it. Wait till software download and complete install. You will see. And now you can use your favorite application. Thank you so much for watching our video.